Hi, baby. Hi, baby. He doesn't like people. He's scared. But Baby likes people. Are you good? Hey, baby. Hey, baby. What's this thing? What's this? Put down. Oh, you itchy. Look at all these bugs. Baby, eating mom's flowers. See, she's like a dog. She's like a dog. Big, pregnant dog. Baby. Baby. Who's hanging out? Keep weeding. Mom's too lazy to weed. Hi, Junior. Mom? She would give me a banana. I never went close to him before. Hi, Junior. Oh, your antlers look so pretty. Your antlers look so pretty. No, you don't care, huh? You don't like me? Come here. Come here, baby. I won't hurt you. Well, that's Junior. I don't know where her sister is. She's out there somewhere. I don't know. They're both called Junior. Anyway. Say goodbye. Say goodbye, Fatty. Yeah, they say goodbye.